is a super fun and super delicious Valentine's Day heart-themed game. We have these conversation hearts, and we're going to have a 1-minute stacking challenge, minute to win style, to see who can get the biggest tower of hearts stacked on top of each other. There's just one little twist. Hands go behind your back, and we have to do it with our teeth. And see who can get the highest. Are you ready?
Yep.
On your mark. Get set. Go! Shoot! I have to keep chasing my heart. It's so not working. I can't get it either.
I stacked them.
You got it? Oh!
Oh. I just knocked them. Oh, they all just stuck in my...
I know there's... Oh, I got one! We got 8 seconds left.
Got one too.
Oh, shoot. Oh! Did we tie with 2? We tied with 2. Awesome job. So that is our super fun... Oh, let me turn that off. Conversation heart stacking challenge. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know below how many you can stack in 1 minute. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.